Why did you say you kissed the ground I walked on? You should have killed me instead. God, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I just want to rest. I'm the Seagull. No. No, that's not it. I'm an actress. He's here too? He is, isn't he? Well, never mind. He never believed in the theater. He laughed at my dreams, and little by little I stopped believing in them too. I am the Seagull. No, that's not it. I'm an actress. That's it. Do you remember that seagull that you shot? A man comes along and sees her and destroys her life because he has nothing better to do. Subject for a short story. No. That's not it. What was I talking about? Oh, yes, the theater. I'm not like that anymore. I am a real actress now. I enjoy acting. I'm proud of it. When I'm on stage, I feel beautiful. And these days, being back here, just walking for hours on end, thinking and thinking, I could feel my soul grow stronger day after day. And now I know, Kostya, I understand, finally, that in our business, acting, writing, it makes no difference. The main thing isn't being famous. It's not the sound of the applause. It's not what I dreamt it was. All it is the strength to keep going. No matter what happens, you have to keep on believing. I believe. And it helps. And now when I think about my vocation, I'm not so afraid anymore. When I become a great actress someday, come watch me act, won't you?